Cryptocurrency is quickly becoming the new way to invest. It's more anonymous and in some ways safer. Of course, that all depends on the platform you use. Hey guys, it's Joel here with Make Tech Easier. Today we'll be reviewing CryptoLocally to see if it lives up to its claim of being the easy and secure way to trade cryptocurrency. As a full disclaimer, I'm pretty new to trading cryptocurrency, so this CryptoLocally review gave me a chance to start. So one thing that initially impressed me was how beginner friendly everything was. I didn't have to search around a complicated dashboard, and I wasn't expected to just know how everything works on the platform. So without further ado, this is our review of CryptoLocally. With that out of the way, let's talk about what makes CryptoLocally unique. The biggest and most impressive feature, in my opinion, is the ability to buy and sell in your local currency and with people in your chosen area. There's even a local cash option to meet in person and pay directly, though I personally wouldn't do that, but it is an option. Buyers and sellers work directly with each other. This gives you a chance to fine-tune the details, sort out payment methods, which are plentiful, and more. During my CryptoLocally review, I found that you can file disputes if something's not going right, but you're fully encouraged to try to resolve issues between yourselves. Another fun and useful feature is being able to collect and trade the platform's unique Giv tokens. These tokens come with a variety of benefits and help you earn VIP status, but more on that later on. Naturally, you can trade a variety of cryptos. I won't list them all here, but you can find the full list in CryptoLocally's FAQs under cryptos you can trade on CryptoLocally. Getting started. Since it's crypto, you don't have to give away your life history to join. Provide an email address, username and password, verify your email address, and you're all set. I was ready to start trading in less than 3 minutes. The first step is to decide what you want to do. I started with the buy section since I didn't have anything to sell at that point. Right off the mark, you can buy, sell, or create an offer. Here's where I started to get really impressed. Instead of digging through or searching forever, the filtering system helps you find exactly what you're looking for. There are 5 things to filter: the sorting method, price, reputation, recent, and last active. All help you pick a better seller when you're buying. And for the payment method, there are currently over 40 methods available. For the currency, it's your actual currency. Crypto, this is in the right corner versus being directly above the list of available trades. Both the buy and sell areas work similarly, so there isn't anything new to learn. If you're struggling, I highly recommend first choosing the crypto you want to trade and then going to the guide section at the top of the screen. There's a guide for every crypto for buying, selling, and creating a new offer. You can also create a completely new offer as a buyer or seller. Choose your crypto or choose create an offer at the top of the screen. Then fill out the details. You can even choose what percentage to buy or sell above or below market value. This is perfect if you can't find anything you like already listed. If you want to learn more about a user before interacting with them, click their name. You can see where they joined, their user feedback, and more. When you find something you like, click buy or sell, depending on what you're planning to do. For me, I was buying. Every listed trade shows you the minimum and maximum you can buy or sell and the value. All you have to do is fill out the details and click publish offer to start the process. Of course, you need to have a wallet for your crypto. You can use an external wallet and link it to use CryptoLocally's finance wallet. Being able to do this from the platform was another high point during my CryptoLocally review. You can set this up before publishing your offer. It's important to note that CryptoLocally takes security seriously. Your password and wallet are encrypted, even from CryptoLocally. If you lose your password, you lose access to your wallet, and it can't be restored. So store your password and back up the private key as recommended to avoid losing access. Since the rest of the process involved personal details, I won't post screenshots, but we had agreed on terms within a few hours. Obviously, time differences mean this could take longer, but the time limits for trades are as follows. While CryptoLocally does say there can be issues with PayPal, I personally didn't have any problems. I didn't try any other payment methods, but if the process works as quickly and simply as it did with PayPal, you shouldn't have any issues. The biggest thing is to be patient and ready to respond. Definitely check your account at least a few times a day so you don't miss anything. This is another reason to deal with local buyers and sellers. It makes the process go much faster, and they're more likely to use the same payment methods you prefer. Fees are incredibly reasonable and fit with CryptoLocally's cheapest claim. There's only a 0.99% commission fee per transaction for buyers. This deducts automatically from what you buy. If you reach VIP levels, you get a discount on trading fees. Obviously, as a beginner, I don't have that yet, but you can still cancel a trade at any time until payment is made. If you cancel before that time, there are no fees. There also aren't any penalties. While you can buy and sell GIV, you also earn GIV every trade. Both parties receive GIV after a successful transaction. If you create an offer, you can earn even more. Every user has a referral code as well. Users that join with your code help you earn more GIV. You earn 0.1% GIV for each of their trades too. As you can earn more GIV, you level up from bronze to silver and then gold. Each level provides more benefits such as VIP discounts on trading fees in the silver and gold tiers. Funds are held in escrow and no one can access any part of your transaction. During my CryptoLocally review, I found transactions use a smart contract on chain to secure everything. This means no eavesdropping by hackers or even the platform. Plus, the escrow system keeps everything honest, though in-person cash payments aren't projected the same way. Surprisingly, the platform even links to a security audit to prove how secure the platform is, and the report only found a few minor issues. In September 2020, CryptoLocally released their first DeFi feature, the Finance Wallet. It's super simple to use. You just have to set up a password for your wallet, deposit crypto, and toggle on the button, and that's it. You earn way more interest on your digital assets than if you were to save your money in your bank account. So how's the platform? Well, it's fast, it's incredibly cheap, and it's secure. Most importantly, it focuses on connecting local buyers and sellers, making the process easier and more convenient. It's also a platform I will be continuing to use. I love that it's geared towards beginners as well as experienced traders. If you're new and feeling overwhelmed with crypto, check out the CryptoLocally website in the description box below. Well, that's it from me. As always, if you love tech as much as we do, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn the bell on, and you'll be notified by our latest and greatest tech-savvy videos. See you next time.